Hey, what's up, buddy?
Are you still coming out?
Yeah, I'm planning on it. I've been waiting for like an hour for the plumber to get here. My roommate clogged the hell out of the toilet this morning. I'm not kidding, man. I have never seen anything like it. Yeah, come in.
It's me, Mario.
I'm Luigi.
I can see that. Yeah, I didn't really think it was a two-man job, but it is pretty bad.
Number one.
No, it's a number two, and it's a beast.
Okie dokie.
Yeah, the bathroom's right around the corner.
Yeah! Ha ha ha!
Thanks, fellas.
Mamma mia! Oh, wow, 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 wow.
I'm sorry, guys. I know it's gnarly.
I got it! Yahoo!
Hey, thank you so much, fellas. Thanks for looking grim there for a second.
Let's go! See you next time!
Alright, take care. Hey, man. Sorry about that. You still there?